How to find data collection settings on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find collection settings on Opera Mini. First thing we're gonna do is go to Opera and then click on this Opera icon here in down corner, and then click this one, settings, and then go down until you find here data collection and click on it. And as you see, here is data collection settings, and anyway, that's it. That's how to find data collection settings on Opera Mini, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like, and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.